All right, so today we're going to dive into something that's super practical if you're working with SAP,
Okay.
and that's how to create customer data the right way, centrally.
Okay.
And look, if you're trying to figure out the why and the how of all this, this is the place to be.
Absolutely.
We've got a functional guide that we're using as a starting point,
Mhm.
and basically we're going to try to help you understand the benefits
Right.
and how to actually create a customer master record centrally within SAP.
And it really makes a huge difference if you've ever seen the kind of mess you can get into
Oh, yeah.
when different parts of a company have their own versions
Yeah,
of the same customer information.
probably.
It can be a real nightmare.
Yeah, think about it. Duplicate effort, confusion errors,
Absolutely.
things that can really cost a business money.
Exactly. And, you can end up with a situation where your accounting team has one address for a customer, but your sales team has a totally different one.
Oh, yeah.
And what happens then?
Invoices going to the wrong place. Sales reps calling outdated contacts.
It's just a recipe for inefficiency.
Yeah, for sure. A classic case.
Luckily, SAP has come up with a really great way to deal with this.
What's that?
It's called transaction code XD01.
Okay, XD01.
That's right. It's basically your one-stop shop for creating customer master data.
So instead of all those separate records,
You got it.
we're talking about one single record
That's the idea.
that both finance and sales can use.
Precisely. And, there's a ton of benefits beyond just avoiding those headaches we were talking about.
Yeah, like what?
Well, first of all, think about the time savings.
Oh, yeah.
You're only entering all that customer data once
Right?
instead of multiple times.
Makes sense.
And that frees up so much time for other more strategic tasks.
For sure.
And then there's the issue of data consistency.
Oh, yeah, that's huge.
Everyone's looking at the same accurate information.
Right.
So you don't have those discrepancies that can cause so many problems.
And I bet that makes reporting way more accurate as well.
Absolutely. When everyone's on the same page with customer details, reporting becomes much more reliable.
So less wasted time, more reliable data. It's a win-win.
It really is.
So let's talk about how to actually use this XD01 thing.
All right, well, it all starts in the SAP menu.
Okay.
You go to accounting, then accounts receivable, then master